locked in here. Down here. Okay. When we do the batteries, the red is the positive. We want to remember that. Red is positive. Throttle. There's your key right here to start. Come back here. There'll be a battery back here. You'll hook up both reds to the positive. Both reds to the positive. So when we move, we want to have these cords down here up to here. Same on the other side. And then this thing hooked in. Notice these bungees right here, hooked in on each side. This hooked into here. Back. Coming over here. Oh, we're gonna backtrack. We make sure that this right here is locked. Okay. Same thing on this side. Over here. See, hooked down there. Here's the other side of that. We keep those over here. Don't forget to put in the plug when you go in the water. Plug in the water. And everything else, just make sure it's lined up on the side. We're hooked, and back to the beginning.